In the 1960s and the 1970s, American muscle cars took the country by storm. These bold and powerful cars were loved by many. Used for street racing or simply cruising the drive-in. The muscle car was every car enthusiast's dream. And the love for muscle cars has not faded in all of these years. The only thing that has changed over time about these iconic cars is their price. While most vehicles depreciate in value as they age, a handful of these classic cars are valued quite highly and can sell for a princely sum at auction. The 10 Most Expensive Muscle Cars is a pretty exclusive club, as entry starts at well above $1 million. Let's see just how high the price tags go on these rare classics. Via Barrett Jackson Auto Auctions, this car was originally built in the UK, but in September of 1961, Ford Motor Company's Carroll Shelby asked if AC Motors could build a frame to accept a V8 engine. As Ford wanted a car that could compete with the Corvette, blueprinted at the Windsor engine plant, the 3.6L lightweight, thin-wall cast small block engine went through tons of modifications before it was ready, from front-end bodywork with the steering box to stronger rear outboard brakes to reduce cost and withstand the power. In 1962, the small block engine was increased to a 4.3L and then began road testing. This roadster sold for $1.595 million at Barrett Jackson's Scottsdale auction in 2015.